Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check your previous activities from Gemini AI. Open the Gemini AI in your browser and then you can see that on the left hand side there is activity. You can click on it and it will lead you to this page where you can view all of your activity. If you scroll down, it will indicate the date in which you gave the prompts and what you searched for. So if you press on details, it will even describe what you searched and all of the details in it. So let me show it to you once again how you can see your activity. Go to geminiai.com and then on the left hand side, click on activity. You can even turn on or turn off the activity and even delete it. So this is how you check your activity in Gemini AI. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention this on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye and take care.